Hello parents, beautiful day here in West Virginia where I'm spending the Memorial Day weekend and recording this video for you. Today I will take a moment to talk about the incredible brain of young children until age about 7 years old. Understanding how the brain processes information and learns can help you build a stronger bond with your children. And also, it will make your parenting a little bit easier. Why not, right? So let's dive in. The brain of young child is like a sponge. It absorbs, it soaks up all the information from the world around them. It's a period of a rapid development. So we must remember three very, very important components. And that's what we are going to be discussing today. If you remember about them, your children will thrive and your parenting will be much easier. Number one, information processing. The young child's brain is very efficient at processing information. Every new learned information builds millions of neurons in the brain, and these neurons form connections, which allow them to develop main cognitive functions. So, encourage your child's curiosity by providing not only stimulating environment, but also activities which promote exploration and discovery. Number two, optimal learning. Children learn best through play and hands-on experiences. Their brains are wired to absorb knowledge through interactive and sensory-rich activities. So incorporate games, very creative projects into daily routines, storytelling to enhance their learning and create very, very enjoyable experience. And lastly, and this one is my favorite, mirror neurons. What are they? Well, those are special brain cells which enable children to imitate and copy everything they see around. Here we go. Who do they copy things from? Of course you, because you spend the most time with them. They imitate not only physical reactions, eye contact, but they imitate emotional state of people around them. That's why it's so important to be a positive role model and showcase only behaviors and values which you want your child to emulate. See you in my next video. And remember, subscribe on the bottom so you never miss anything valuable I'm posting to my channel.